Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to display your group on your profile that you have created on the linkedin.com website. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the website on your device and then go to your home page. Tap on this home button at the top, go to the left side of the screen and click on groups. Then tap on your groups at the top and select the group that you have created. Go to the top of the feed and click on this more button next to the pencil and bell icon. Tap on it and click on the second option, update your settings. Then you will be directed to group settings, and here you should go to this display group on profile section. So if you would like the group to appear on your profile for the non-group members, just tap on this button and then it will be saved automatically. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.